guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. So today we're going to call it mystery boxes. Well, as you can realize that there are 12 the packages that were no longer a mystery, as I was searching for something to do a job for a brand and made a pull it thing set. It's in there. Not these two. These two was just big. I'm just curious to know what's happening. So yeah, so welcome back to this video and let's get into it. So me don't know, I can't promise about no short video because now two set of video, well, enough things. Now two set of packages to me collect for the review on, and it's a lot. It's a lot. Oh my god. So I can't do comments here, look a 10-minute video. And so look on this Amazon. I can't do complain still because no, I bought this. Amazon wicked, look what I'm putting on it. Look. Amazon is so wicked. Look what I'm putting in the bag. Look at most things in the bag come empty. It's for my brows. I went to a makeup class recently and the lady showed me use something like this, like brow powder. I look nice. You look cute. So let me just open the thing that way it's no longer a mystery. So this is from Modern Life. With a far from the something there. What channel? With a far from the camera, come and try catch everything in frame. So I'll just put a photo as usual. Right? So this is from Modern Life. And if I remember correctly, it should be one of those things that I sit at a hotel. I saw at a hotel recently. I visited is to like run away the flies. So give me a second. Yeah. So it's like a little fun thing to run away flies. So see it here. So in the box you have this and a USB end cable. Work with battery. Let me see. We can't pull this, people. So I'm gonna to know if it works with battery. We can't pull it in. So anyways, you can plug it in. With the far from one plug, you know. I'm gonna show you probably when the video finish, we do a demonstration. Or oh yes, TikTok. It will be on TikTok. So it does funny things then. And I make fly pitch for your food. So that's that. So it's good for like your Thanksgiving coming up, those things, right? Or like outside picnic or whatever. Yeah. So now let me see what's in this. Cause them things are honestly ready to pick up. Blah blah blah. I don't know what keep. I don't know what is what and what is not what. So now this, let me see if this still on. This is what it's a phone holder for your vehicle, and all of these after videos on. So check me on TikTok. So follow me on all socials at Kettles Discovery, and you check me out over there. So it's neaty. I like it. It's sleek and nice. So I miss a demonstration video will be on TikTok. I'm just unboxing right now. So go on your dashboard, and all links for everything will be in the description box below. Box push up though. What a struggle that was. Anyways, this is what now. So this is from Geology, and it's a vitamin C and E ferulic serum, a brightening formula. So it has 0.5% of vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid, and also 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. So this is a, let me say, step 2. So I guess it have different products and thing. So it comes with the how to use and also what each of the ingredients does. So this will be added to my routine. Remember for night or day. Think a day. I think it's vitamin C a day. I don't remember. But yeah. This this is a, you can hear it, is a vitamin. Oh, look at my finish. You know, it's too long. It's a breeze through. This is the probiotic from New Rhythm. It's 30 capsules. And how much a day? One a day. So it's a month supply. Right? So this is what this is. I know probiotics is quite good for the body and the gut. Good gut health. I'm trying to find expiration date. Expire next year August. So I'm just bear that in mind. I'll have to bear that in mind. Alright. So this open. Let's rest this here. So rest this here. So alright, so 2 more. So I don't know what's in this box. So most of the time here, really, I don't know. I don't know what's in them. I don't know what reach. I wanna reach. Because it just pop up without warning. I might slow down on these pair packages. Oh, it's too much. It's taking up too much. Oh no, these are my stuff. So I'm going to try this e.l.f. bronzer. As I said before, I went to a makeup class and I really enjoyed it. I probably put probably showcase some clips here and also on TikTok. So I needed a few stuff that I was missing from my previous makeup collection. The setting powder I received in a 200%. I just use it to set the primer as my teacher suggested, and I got a Sasha buttercup setting powder. The one that she suggested me can't afford right now. Some of you go to Sasha and cheap and clean and bare things, right? Right. These are some stuff I'm gonna buy. And this now is what I really need to do a picture on. It is the Lift Lab. So it lift up your skin. So a good thing someone open the right package because this job is due. This job is due. Save this still on. So I can show you this. I can show you. Oh, it's so sleek. Look at neat. Say okay. Neat is a Mm-hmm. So you still see the double chin gun. Cause the girl face I go lift. So I think it won't charge. I would assume it won't charge. Come with the USB cable and it explains what you're supposed to do. The instructions. I think it's like three modes. Three modes, right? Yeah, it won't charge. Cause it now come on. Oh, lie, here, son. So, what LEV? What that mean? Yeah, okay. So different modes. Ooh, clean. What? When I say. So check out my TikTok video on this demonstration. And then last but not least, these gigantic water bottles. Alright, so this is a half gallon. So it's a 64-ounce water bottle. And what I like about this one, because I chose it, I carefully chose these two water bottles. Oh God. I like cool water. I like cool water on this. No, next one. Anyways, so what I still like about this one, I think I know why I chose this one. This is for days that, the room temperature not too bad, right? And it has the time, the hour tracker, like, by right, it starts 7 o'clock and you don't drink by 9 o'clock. So far, I've been using my Contigo 32-ounce, and most days, I think 1 or 2 days I might finish it, but I really need to drink more water. So I guess I can use it as a tracker. Back then, when I was journey them, every morning I get up and I drink like a cup of apple cider vinegar, a cup of water, of apple cider vinegar. So I put most put like 1 tablespoon in the water, 1 cup of water. I mean, start the day with that, right? So now I really need to drink way more water. So starting at 7 a.m., I just drink every 2 hours. Every 2 hours. Until I like the handle has a straw in it. What is? You can hold on. Oh, if you have the straw part where if you want to sip, I can also chug. Or if somebody begs some water before you start drinking, you can pour it out. So that's cute. It has a very sturdy handle and one of those wrist straps. So it's from Aquafit. So a more detailed video. Yeah, more detailed video. I was considering if I could use this, but I have other products on the table. A more detailed video will be on TikTok. Alright. So this I wanna know. Mercy. Jesus. This is a gallon. This one just remind me of when I was younger, back in prep school, and you walk with it igloo. This could have, if this could have shine light, it could have been a lantern. Look how the something it's heavy too, imagine with water. You can lift with this is a gym buckle. This is a gym. This just buckle prep the muscle then lift with for reach a gym. It's very heavy and this is without water. It's heavy bad. Imagine when the water going out and wait. No Johnny go John. Lift up this stairhead. No Johnny go John with a big old buckle here. The buckle is very heavy. Me not lie to you. So anyways, you have the little spout here, so. Oh, yeah, the same thing. So if you want to chug, you want to lend somebody some of your water, or not lend, you want to give somebody some of your water because it's an igloo, you can pour it from the spout here if you want to chug, or you can also do a little sippy thing right here. So I would assume it have a straw inside. Oh God, man, no sir, really have a straw inside. What say? You can see a future. So I don't want this not longer, but anyways, Jesus, boy, I pull a muscle just feel like the buckle. So basically, that's what I have today. That's what I have to show you guys today. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Although I might take a little pause from the PR packages then because it's too much. It's just too much, right? But yeah, so remember to like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Please, we're trying to reach our next milestone. Please subscribe. And remember to follow me on all socials at Petals Discovery. Check the links though in the bio. Everything here in the bio. And also can check out my Amazon birthday wish list. Yeah. Thank you very much. So thank you and take care. Very nice to say. So bye.